Good morning, everybody. Well, actually, no. Good afternoon, everybody. It's time for another shave. Oh man, it's been like what? Around 2 days, something like that. 2 days, I think. But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a good one today. Hope everybody's doing well. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using BPS Tiki on the Artemis soap base. This one is the one that doesn't have stearic acid, and I think all the ingredients are organic. Don't quote me on that, but it's a really good base. Very interesting, and it smells great. It smells awesome. Obviously, matching splash. And for the brush, fresh from the mailbox, literally, I got it a couple of, maybe like half an hour. Highlander blue, no, mosaic pearl. What I call it, mosaic blue, or blue mosaic. Beautiful. Look at the pattern. All those pieces were glued up to make the block, and then he turned it to do this shape. It was a custom order, so I went with this shape because this shape is very, very ergonomic. And for the knot, I think I put a 28mm G5C. Not sure. Could be a 26. It's a G5C anyway. Now, I never shown this bowl, I believe, in video. This is the Cajun Pit Viper. Already lather up the soap. I think I never showed it because it's a weird color. It's green and it looks cool, but it's when you're addicted to match everything. Yeah, you know. But yeah, it's a great looking bowl. It's been a while since I bowled lather, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna use a bowl because I have a lot of Cajuns that need some use. And speaking of using, I'm gonna be using my Going Greek Lambda Athena bronze with a Aylsworth blade, second use, I think. Maybe not. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be a good shave for sure. Now, I just came from work. I knew that the handles arrived. I got the soap a couple of days ago because this was a purchase that I did with Chris Lather Yeti to save on the shipping, split the shipping cost. And he's, oh my god, look at the leather. The knot might be flying because I ran out of I ran out of plumber's tape. So the knot is not tight enough. So you might see the knot flying. But don't worry, we're gonna push through. We're gonna make it. Have to go to Walmart or Home Depot or whatever, buy more. I'm pretty sure I have more somewhere laying around, but I don't know where they are. The lather is already looking great. Also, I need a freaking haircut. Oh my god, I'm looking like my yard. Cut it a couple of days ago and it's already grown like a jungle. Freaking look at that. It's already looking great. But yeah, I've been working, fortunately, making good hours, so haven't done much videos. Yeah, smells great, doesn't taste great. Look at that. It's already looking great. It's already looking great. I have, in terms of soaps, I got everything. I got this one and Pacific Horror from BBS. Also, I got the Kronos unscented. The Kronos base. For some reason, I got in a weird hole of acquiring unscented bases. Because if I were smart, I just buy the splashes. But I enjoy BBS. I enjoy BBS a lot. Yeah, it's already looking great, but I want to add more water. So far the knot is holding up somehow. I need a brush maker from Greece just to make it the complete. Montenegro is close. So this is the closest I guess that I have in terms of brushes. But look at that. The one of the wow point of this base is that it doesn't have stearic acid. That's one of the things that helps a soap make a lather. This one doesn't have it. And look at that. Yeah, it's no problem. It has a bunch of good stuff that I cannot tell you. Same as the notes. You know what I get from this soap? Freaking Jolly Rancher slapping my face. Smells great. Like watermelon candy. Beautiful. Smells really good. Definitely glad that I grabbed it. Because Chris and another friend from the rabbit hole were pushing me to grab Tiki. I'm glad that I did. Pacific Horror was another one that they were pushing for me to grab. Because that's what we do in the hobby. We help each other spend their money. This is the best community. We don't help you save money. No, we help you spend money. Freaking Athena. It's probably my favorite. It's my favorite razor, and it's probably one of the least that I use for some reason. Especially the titanium. Yeah, super smooth razor. I just love it. I just love it. I just love that razor. Freaking Jolly Rancher in my face. Smells really nice. I think this is the strongest soap, or one of the strongest soap that my nose get. Because man, I can still smell it really strong. Even making the lather, I could get it easy. Now, in context, my nose doesn't work most of the time. Most of the time, my nose doesn't work. Oh, that's why I'm surprised. That's one of the reasons that I was going for the unscented bases, because I go nose blind to most of my soaps. Oh. But addicted. As I enjoy this hobby way too much, I keep buying soaps. That's the problem. Freaking so good. Well, It's just so good. It's funny how I lean to lighter razors most of the time, but for some reason the bronze Athena, which is actually pretty heavy, I love it. I don't mind. Very nice. Now, how does the blood compare to the Athena? Well, it's milder. Smoothness. It could be smoother. It could be smoother than the Athena. But they are too close to have it, a definitive answer. Don't fall in the ball. No, going across my neck, yeah, I can tell that the Athena is smoother. There's barely anything in that direction. Now going on the opposite direction, yeah, you should hear something. Let me see, since this is gonna be my last pass, so let me grab what's left of the lather. And the thing is, the soap has like a small hint of menthol to make it so much more refreshing. It's really good. It's really, really good. Very nice cooling feeling. Not exaggerated or anything. It's just like perfect for this stupid weather. Yeah, it's great. Let's go for it. Even on the cheeks, it's not picking up much. So I would say the Athena is more efficient for me than the blood. Just thinking things. The blood is the last razor that I acquire until tomorrow. So I'm just thinking. But I was talking to Chris, and I think I'm probably didn't have the best angle with the blood, because the blood has a very steep angle. nice. Very nice. He got everything. Oh, I hate it. Anyway, shouldn't damage. Shouldn't. Let's go for the clean up. It feels so good. Yeah. Yeah, you got everything. He got everything. Feels great. Freaking BBS. I'm a fan. Take it as always. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's yellow. Huh, no burn. Huh. I'm surprised. Yeah, it has alcohol. Huh. No surprise. No burn. Especially seeing nicks. Ah, very nice anyway. Ah, so good. That was a great shave. I miss the Athena. That's what happens when you have so many options. But anyway, that's the whole point of having options. Just change it around and go wild by razors. Anyway, thank you for watching as always. I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.